What's up, YouTube? Figure I'll do a slightly different video today. Normally I do car repair videos, but today I'm actually gonna just do a quick videos on some new gloves that I've been trying. Now, so far I've been wearing these Hardy by Harbor Freight. Got these at Harbor Freight. Pretty good gloves, nice grip, breathable, and very comfortable fit. Fingers fit nice, no big gaps or anything. And the good thing about these, as cheap as they are, I could actually use these with my phone, so it's touchscreen compatible. But I'm actually moving away from these, and I'm gonna be going with these Milwaukees. Now the Milwaukees, I've had a pair prior to this one, kind of wore 'em out, but these are pretty much the same. Smart swipe, they're called, where you could actually use a tip on your phone or your tablet, any touch screen you have, high dexterity fingertips. So overall, they're good gloves. They're breathable also, so it lets a lot of air in your hands. It don't be sweaty and all wet. Of course, they're made in China, like everything else. I don't think you guys could see that, but made in China. These were probably about, at the time when I purchased them at Home Depot, they were roughly $5. And the pair I had before, I want to say with heavy use, lasted me about maybe about 2 months, and that's with real hard use, not just working on cars, but yard work and using machinery and all that stuff. And it held up pretty good. So this is the comparison. The Milwaukee sits a little higher. Go a little further up. Not that it's a big deal. I kind of like that because when I'm working around any hot component, exhaust, stuff like that, that's why I wear sleeves all the time. But when I stick my hand in certain areas, sometimes you have a wire harness, you have connectors, you have like metal that's hot, or a hose that's hot. So the more protection, the better. With these, sometimes they'll move and then skin gets exposed, so I'll touch something and I gotta tug back. But with these, nice fit. You could see, compare the two, they're pretty much, they're almost identical. The Milwaukee feels a little bit more rugged. The grip on both of them, I would say, is roughly the same. This is a little worn, so that's why the Milwaukee looks like it's more textured. But overall, they're good gloves, and I like the fact that they're breathable also. Very stretchy material. So I just figure I'll do a quick review on this. Maybe I'll do another review on another tool later on, but I'm gonna ask you guys to please help me grow this channel by subscribing. And the more subscriptions I get, then you know, the more tools I'll get, the more I'll do a little more reviews. The next tool I'm thinking of doing a review on is actually this bad boy right here. And this is the Icon Professional Double Box End Ratcheting Set. Well, ratcheting rinse set. So I figure I'll do a review on these. I'm gonna hold off on that review though. I want to see how this one goes first, and if this one does good, I'm gonna encourage my followers to please, if you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and subscribe. If you know anyone that may be interested in videos like this, put them onto it, have them subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscriptions, and then I'm gonna do a review on this tool and so forth. I'll take it from there after that. But thanks again, and please don't forget to subscribe.